Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a fruit. A tropical fruit famous for its strong aroma and unique taste, which is often described as a combination of sweet and savory. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as durian, durian, and durian. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as durian, durian, and durian. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about durian, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.